In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel subscription on Squarespace. To begin, go to your Squarespace account dashboard and sign in to the account that manages the website subscription you want to cancel. Make sure you are in the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one site. This helps prevent canceling the wrong plan by mistake. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the Settings area. Click on Settings and then select Billing. This section is where Squarespace stores your payment details, plan information, and active subscription settings. If you are following along on a desktop or laptop, this is usually very easy to find from the main account interface. After you open Billing, go to the Subscription section. Here you will see a list of your active plans and services. Look carefully for your active primary site plan. This is the main website subscription connected to your Squarespace site. Take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct subscription, since this is the plan that controls your site access and billing cycle. When you find the correct plan, click on the subscription row to open its details. This will bring you to the page where you can manage that specific subscription. Read through the available options so you know you are in the right place before continuing. Next, look for the Cancel Subscription option. When you are ready, click the Final Cancel Subscription Confirmation button to fully process the request. This final confirmation is important because it completes the cancellation. Until that confirmation is submitted, the subscription may still remain active. As you do this, it is a good idea to review any messages Squarespace shows on screen. These notices may explain what happens to your website, billing, or access after the cancellation takes effect. Reading those details can help you avoid confusion later. That is the full process to cancel a subscription on Squarespace. Start from the account dashboard, open Settings, go to Billing, find your active primary site plan under Subscriptions, open that plan, and then confirm the cancellation. If you follow each part carefully, the process should be quick and straightforward. That covers everything you need to know.